Hey guys, what is up? To another video. Today we are officially doing the flybys with my Supercharged G35. So you guys know, if you guys watch the other two videos, you guys can watch that dyno day up in here, one of those videos. You guys know that we hit 350 wheel, a little upsetting result, but that is because we had a major boost leak, okay? We forgot to connect the hose, man. How did we forget, bruh? I guess we were just so pressured to finish the kit that we forgot to freaking connect the hose. It's kind of sneaky hose, bro. It's a sneaky hose. So we are getting retuned at the end of the month, and we should be around the 400 wheel, possibly, because I am getting a bigger throttle body as well. So we should be around that 400 wheel mark. And we also do have that small pulley, so it could go even beyond 4. It could be like 420. So at this point, we're in dangerous territory with the stock engine, bro. But with that being said, 350 wheel is no slouch, man. That thing feels so fun. And today we're gonna be doing some flybys so you guys can hear the car. I'm gonna be doing some POV with the GoPro inside the car so you guys can see that angle as well. The car is just freaking fun to drive, man. I'm gonna make a video on this. How much attention does the Supercharged G35 attract? Because literally everywhere I go, everywhere, not one head will escape the car. Everybody will turn their head to look at the car. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and warm up the car. We're gonna check the engine oil because our maintenance has to be on point now that the car is boosted. But with that being said, before we begin this video, I do want to announce a giveaway for you guys. For today's giveaway, we have partnered up with Las Fits Auto Lighting on their new product. When you get in your car, you grab your phone. Where the hell do you put it? Here's my car. I obviously can't put it here. I'm gonna use this. Here, I can't. This is where my control is. Well, let me introduce to you the new Las Fit phone holder. This phone holder charges your phone wirelessly. No wires, bro. It also supports fast charging. You gotta buy an extra cable for it, but in this giveaway, it'll be included automatically for free. If you have a super bulky case, it might not fit. You can check on their website to see what kind of cases do not fit. But if you have just a regular one just like mine, it'll fit just fine. Now here we have the phone holder mounted in the window with a lot of adjustability here. Put it however up and down you want. I mean, you can put it how close or far away from you. But let's go ahead and see it in action. Let's go ahead and put the key on, turn it to the on position. You guys can see it powered up. Look at that, automatically waiting for you. All you gotta do is place your phone. It grabs it and it charges. Bro, are you kidding me? And to take off your phone is even cooler. You just press these little buttons in the back and oh, you gotta place your phone here and it grabs it, bro. How cool is that? I feel like Iron Man. So we're gonna be announcing the winner in about a week. All you gotta do is 3 things. Subscribe to the channel. Go ahead, check out Las Vegas Auto Lighting and their websites if you need any more auto lighting, man. They are awesome. And thing number 3, which is the most important one, gotta comment down below. That's all you gotta do, man. Those 3 things. Subscribe to the channel, check out Las Vegas Auto Lighting, and comment down below to be entered for the wireless charger giveaway. All right, guys, so now we're gonna head out over there, but I want to give you guys a cold start, not from the back. Usually you do cold starts from the back because that's where the exhaust is, but the car is so loud from the front, so I'm gonna do it here in my position where I'm at as the POV driver so you guys can hear how loud it is. It might not be as loud on video, to be honest, but in person it's so damn loud. I'm pretty sure you guys will hear the fuel pump too. The fuel pump is loud too. Watch, check this out. Hopefully you guys hear the fuel pump, and let's turn it on. I'm telling you guys, that thing sucks hella air, bruh. Thing's loud. Anyways, let's head over there to the freaking track. lot more roads over there, like better ones, but literally they took them all away, dude. So now we have to compensate with this road. Oh man, this thing is tight. I don't want to send my freaking car into the flood. Alright guys, so we just got done through the pools. We ate some breakfast. I want to show you guys, if you guys can hear how loud the car is in here, the cabin. So I have my girlfriend here recording just like the inside. Right now we're going through some speed bumps, so maybe it won't be loud even though it's loud in person. But let me see, watch, I'm gonna do a tiny pool. Oh, there's a guy here. I don't want to be rude. Hopefully you guys can hear that, but I have a Prius mode, which is neutral. If I go on neutral, it won't make any sound. Anyways, I'll catch you guys at home. Alright guys, we're back home. And we got some max speeding rods. You already know how to jump in the train, bro. We got some new suspension for the Miata. This is gonna be for the Miata, not for the G35. We're gonna make a video on this, so stay tuned. Man, that's why I'm in some fucking rain. Yes. Nice. We got some stickers from Simplistic Garage. Look at that. We got some beautiful gaskets. Nice. And then here, I'm pretty sure this is where the spacer is at. We open this very carefully. Damn, it's like I work at Subway. Look at this. Comes with the bolts. And it comes with this beautiful spacer. Look at this. Simplistic Garage engraved. Absolutely beautiful. It has even a gasket. This thing's freaking nice. OEM freaking throttle body. You guys can see here in the back, it says Hitachi, bruh. So you know, and it says right here made in Japan as well. So you know this is an OEM part. The only thing it has are these two freaking like vacuum lines. I don't know what they are, but I'm not sure exactly where these are going to be connected to. Well, there you guys have it, some flybys with the G35. Hopefully you guys like it. The car is freaking awesome. I can't wait to go back to get retuned. If we cross that 400 wheel, dude, like 350 is fast. From stock, like this feels super freaking fast. So 400 wheel, I wonder how much of a difference like 50, 60 plus wheel horsepower is. So I'm actually really curious, and hopefully the engine stays strong, bro. I'm gonna give it some vitamin C, bro, so that thing can stay strong. But anyways, I'll catch you guys next video. We're probably gonna install the coilovers on the Miata since you guys saw they just came in. So I'm excited to start the Miata build. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out. Love you guys. Be distinct. Peace.